What's up YouTube, this is Clone Checks. Got a new pistol, WE Tech Colt M1911, single stack latest edition, gas blowback pistol. Mag holds 15 rounds. Total ammo capacity you can have is 15 plus 1. Cool thing, this gun comes with 2 mags. Put that in there. Has working grip safety. Has slide safety. Has half cocking feature. It says 45 ACP. Made out of this whole gun is made out of aluminum, but it's pretty good kind of aluminum. Barrel assembly is stainless steel aluminum. It has pretty good painted finish on the black finish on the gun, but it will wear off, so it'll look just like the real thing. Like it just came out of World War II. Mine is already fading out on the edges and everything. But we all like guns that have a couple scratches on them, right? Makes it look good. Shows that you've actually been in a whole lot of battles with that thing. Shows that it's reliable. And that's another thing. This gun shoots 330 FPS. This is a pretty accurate pistol. It's fairly accurate at I'd say 100 yards. Better yet, let's try it out. There we go. Alright, let's test out some targets on this. Looks like I'll be able to show you what my true accuracy is like. Alright, we got 2 sprunk cans over there. I mean crush cans, sorry. I've been playing Grand Theft Auto a little. Alright, let me see if I can get this damn thing. That's 1. That's 2. Yeah, that's a pretty powerful ass kicker, don't you think? Damn. The gun right. Oh shit. And that's a 25 caliber. Shit. 25 gram BB. This one didn't do that much damage. Probably the carbonation is probably what got this. Yeah. It's a pretty bad day for a soda can. But let's shoot it a little bit more. We got a couple cans over here. Let's try this one out. Ooh. Let's see where we shot this one at. Damn, I can't even. There it is. I got that little puncture right there. Damn, that's a pretty powerful hand cannon, don't you think? Let's try this one. Ah! Damn it. Yeah, let's go a little bit back on this one. Damn, even the gun's a little bit. Got a little juice on it. Oh shit. It's like Universal Studios over here. Alright, let's get one more. Oh, what the fuck? But yeah, this is the gun you want as your first gas blowback. I strongly recommend this gun. Oh yeah, another cool thing about this, has actual disassembly. Just like the real steel one. All I gotta do is take the little safety catch out of it. Let's get 2 more cans and call it a day. Ah, fuck. Bloody. And yeah, apparently we're out of ammo. And we're out of time. This has been Clone Treks. And this has been Clone Treks TV. Yeah, it's kind of cheesy. But yes, I will have my next video uploading up soon in about maybe 10 minutes. So if you're already watching this, get ready for a new one. Because this next review is going to be the Thompson M1911. And we're out.